Hello everyone. I needed to make this video before I left for work. Excuse me, I have the hiccups. That's actually what this video is about. I had my gastric sleeve surgery January 20th. Excuse me. January 29th. I started my weight loss pathway at 331 pounds. I now weigh 288. So let's see how much that is for all the lazy people like me out there. So I lost 43 pounds. Excuse me. Everything's been going well. I had all my post-op visits. Everything's been going well. I could have been losing more weight, but I have been eating things that I'm not supposed to. Not exercising. However, don't be like me. But have you guys experienced hiccups after eating, while eating? I tried to Google some reasons, and what I came up with was if you're eating too fast or eating too much. I don't think I can do those. It takes me an hour to eat, a plate. I don't eat too much. You know what happens when you eat too much. But I just wanted to throw this out here and see how you guys feel about it. Do you get hiccups? Before, after, or during eating? Let me know. Leave a comment. Bye.